Hi, and welcome to Paper. Paper provides tutoring, writing review, reading support, and more to help students like you achieve their goals in school. Today we're going to show you what Paper has to offer and give you a chance to try it out. The very first thing you'll need to do is log into your Paper account. There are a couple different ways this can be done, so your teacher will show you how. Now that you're logged in, there are a few quick tasks you'll need to complete to set up your account. First, you need to fill out your learner profile. Click Get Started and you'll come to this page. Here you can personalize your account by telling us about your interests. Simply click on the things in each category that you're interested in. When you're finished, click Next. You'll be brought to this page where we'll check in to see how you feel about different school subjects. Click Start, and you can rate your confidence in each subject. The final step is to accept our Student Code of Conduct. These are the rules that all students must follow when they're using Paper. When you're done reading them, click I accept, and you're ready to start using Paper. When you log in, you're taken straight to your Paper dashboard. Your dashboard is a centralized place where you can access all the features that Paper has to offer. You can navigate by clicking on the tabs on the left-hand side of the screen, or by clicking on the tiles in the center of the dashboard. At the top here, you'll see a section called Assignments. Your teacher can assign you live help sessions, review center sessions, and pulse quizzes, all of which you'll find here. Let's take a look at pulse quizzes first. Pulse quizzes are quick, 5-question quizzes that your teacher can use to see how you're doing in a particular subject. If your teacher has assigned you a pulse quiz, you'll find it here in the Assignment tab. You can see the assignment name, the subject, the teacher who assigned it, and the due date. Click on the tile to access the quiz. When you're finished, click Submit Quiz. You'll immediately get your score, and you can click Get Results to check the answers. You can also choose to start a live help tutoring session based on any of the questions if you're having a hard time getting the answer. Another feature of the Paper platform is Live Help. Live Help connects you with a real, live, Paper-trained tutor who can help you in any subject. There are a few different ways you can access Live Help. First, you can type a question here where it says, Ask a Question. Paper will look at that question, determine the right subject area, and ask you if you'd like to be connected with a tutor to learn more. Another option is to click on the subject tiles under Which class do you need help with? When you click on a subject, you're taken to this screen. Click Chat with a tutor and you'll launch a tutoring session. Your teacher can also assign you live help tutoring sessions. You'll find any teacher-assigned sessions under the Assignments section. Whichever route you take, you'll end up on this screen, where you can choose to chat with a tutor via text or voice memos. Next, you'll get to pick the kind of tutoring session you want. Not sure which of these to choose? Let's Work Together is always a good place to start. Click the Chat with a Tutor button and your session will begin. When you start your session, please be polite. Remember, these tutors are real people. They're not bots or AI, and they're here to help you. Next, you'll want to share what you're working on with the tutor. You can take a picture with the camera button, or send a file or screenshot using the Send File button. You can also click the Draw button to use our recordable whiteboard to write, type, or draw. The whiteboard's interactive, so you and the tutor can work together to get the right answer. There are several ways you can talk with the tutor. In addition to typing, you can use speech to text by clicking here. With this feature, just talk and the platform automatically converts it to text. If you choose a voice chat rather than text, you can send voice memos. You record yourself talking and send it to the tutor, and they record their response. If you hover over a message, you can react to it using an emoji, and you can bookmark things you want to revisit later. All your tutor conversations are saved in the History tab for up to a year, including bookmarks and student reactions, so you can always go back to them if you need to. There's no time limit on tutoring sessions. They last as long as you need them to. When you're done, just click the End Session button to let the tutor know you've left the chat. Next up we have Review Center. Here you can submit any kind of writing and have it reviewed by a paper tutor. The tutor will return your work to you with color-coded feedback that helps you to improve the piece and grow as a writer. You can access Review Center by clicking on the tab here on the left-hand side of the screen, or you can access it by clicking one of the subject tiles and choosing Get Writing Reviewed. Your teacher can also assign a Review Center session, which will show up in the assignments area. When you access Review Center, you'll be taken to this screen, where you can see work that's been returned to you. To submit a new piece of writing, click here on Upload Work. From this screen, you can upload documents from your computer or from Google Drive. Once you've done that, give your work a title and give the tutor some information to help them understand what they're reviewing. You can copy and paste or upload a rubric or any other information that will help the tutor guide you. Finally, there's a space for you to tell the tutor any additional info you want to give them. Below that, you'll see this blue box. Here you'll find an estimate of how long it'll take for your work to get reviewed. Click the Submit for Review button and you're done. When the tutor is finished reviewing your writing, it'll show up here in the Review Center page. There'll be a quick summary from the tutor and a button so you can download the work. Once you download it, you can see color-coded feedback on specific parts of your writing. Another great feature on the Paper platform is Paper Reading. It records you reading aloud and gives you immediate feedback to help you improve. To access Paper Reading, click on Reading here on the left-hand side of the screen, or click on the tile down here that says Practice Reading. Clicking either of those will bring you here. You'll be able to see any readings that have been assigned to you by your teacher. Let's click on one and see what it's like. When you start an assignment, you first get the instructions. In addition to a read aloud, your teacher might also assign vocabulary words for you to learn and comprehension questions for you to answer. In this example, we can first listen to a model reading. After that, you can record yourself reading the passage by clicking Record. When you're done, click Pause. After completing any other tasks that have been assigned to you, you can click Turn in Assignment. Within a minute or two, you'll be able to see just how you did. Helpful feedback like accuracy, words per minute, and the total number of words you read will be shown over here on the left. On the right, you can see what words you missed marked in red. In addition to assignments from your teacher, you can also do your own independent reading. Click here on the Library tab to access our collection of texts you can read. Or you can click here where it says Free Read and record yourself reading anything you want. Paper missions are a great way for you to practice things you've learned in school. It contains practice questions for grades 3 through 6 in English and grades 3 through 9 in math. To access paper missions, you can click here where it says Practice, or down here where it says Practice Math and English. When you come to the paper missions landing page, you have a few options. You can select whether you want to review math or English, and you can choose how hard you want the questions to be. When you're ready, click on the tiles below to start a mission. Many missions start with a brief video to introduce the topic. After that, you can answer questions that will help you improve your skills in that particular area. At the end of each section, you'll get feedback about how well you did and the option to try again for any questions you got wrong. Thanks for watching this video. We hope you're ready to jump in and start your journey with paper today.